Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine. Hope you guys are doing great. It's been a while since I made a video on my channel on how you can make money on cryptocurrency with two different exchanges. Oh sorry, exchanger. Yes, exchanger. So today I'm going to reveal the latest trick for you guys on how you can simply make money with Binance and Busha, and I'm going to expose all the secret that you need to know about this video. So kindly follow me while I show you guys what I wanted to show you. But before we dive into this video, please know that I'm not your financial advisor, so you guys can also do a simple mathematical calculation before you dive into this. But I will let's assure you guys that this video is going to turn your life. It's going to help you guys financially if you follow simple instruction. Okay, so before we now go, please guys, I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because this video I won't be completing it today, so we'll continue another day. So if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to catch the latest update after this video, because I'm going to practicalize it. I'm going to do everything about it. So guys, you don't need to worry, you don't need to breathe, you don't need to you need to breathe because you are a human being. You don't need to panic, okay? You don't need to panic. This method is legit, because I don't do stuff without confirmation. I'm going to expose everything for you guys. I'm not like the other guys that hide one or two things together. So this video is for those who want to make money online, how you can make money with Binance and Busha arbitrage, how you can make money with Binance and Busha arbitrage. Binance is a popular cryptocurrency exchanging platform where you can buy various type of cryptocurrency and trade and sell and earn massively with it. So guys, let me just tell you, if you find yourself in the struggling guys that don't have money, or do some kind of business, let me tell you, you can simply make money on Binance. Binance have a very large opportunity scales that you can use to leverage your financial pocket, in which you can easily be trading on it as a business and you will make a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff on this channel. So guys, I will tell you again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the notification to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like and comment, because without your comment I won't know what you are going through. Any difficulty you are facing, you can simply post the message there and I will reply you sharply. So furthermore, I will just show you a little basic on what we want to do. In our next video, I'll practicalize it with my own cash and see how much we gain from it. So without further ado, let me open Binance for you guys and you guys will see the interface. Okay, I've got my Binance app. So let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. So it seems okay. Here we are on our Binance platform. So if you are somebody that is not in Nigeria, hmm, although you can also make money if you are in other part of Africa as well, in respect to the dollar rate in your previous country. But I'll tell you that if you are in Nigeria, you will make the most of the money here in Nigeria. Okay, so or whichever way, everything is same. So let me quickly show you this stuff that I want to show you. Yeah, so now let me click on, you will click on P2P trading. Okay, let's go to P2P trading. P2P trading. P2P trading, and let me show you one thing. Yeah, one thing. P2P trading. So let's go to let's go to let's go to let's go to BTC. Okay, here we are, BTC. So what I have here is the price of BTC is how much? Okay, this is not what I want to show you guys. But this is price of BTC. Let me show you this. Okay, here we are on USDT. Here we are on USDT. The rate of 1 USDT here is equal to what? Is equal to 7.15. Okay. So, but one guy here is selling his own for 67. This guy is selling his own BTC 687. So guys, you can simply buy for this guy at 687 and a dollar, and then you can sell it 687, and you can let's go to you can sell it here again for 716. Do you see this? Do you see this? 716. You can sell it here at 716. So the difference within 687 and 716, that's what you will gain. Now assuming you are using, let me say you are using 100,000 naira to run this, at least you will gain nothing less than, let me say, 20,000 or 10,000 per day. And the price factor about there is that you can do it multiple times in a day. So this is not what I want to show you, but let me quickly go to Busha and show you what I want to show you. Let me show you what I want to show you guys. You guys will make money here. People have been making money right from ages when cryptocurrency have started, but they won't tell you. But don't worry, I'm here to expose their secret for you guys today. Let's go to Busha. Let me open my Busha account. So let's wait while it's loading. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do that now. Because I can't complete the video today. I'll be doing it another time, but let me just show you what I want to show you. Let me show you what I want to show you. Okay, here we are. You see, price of USDT here on Busha is 706. So imagine you buy from that guy 870 something and sell it here 706. Imagine how much you will be making here on Busha. And the crystal truth that is here is that you can simply withdraw your money to your bank account here in Nigeria without any daily darling. Okay, so let me quickly do the calculation for you and we round up the video and we continue on our next video. So that's what I'll show you guys for now. So now on Binance, We want to buy 687 minus Busha 705. So you see now you are having minus 18. It's because I put this Binance price at the front. That's why we are having this. So what we will have on normal day is 18 naira. So now this is the trick here. Assuming we have 18 naira and we started with $100 times $100. So see what you will be making here. You are going to make a whopping of 1,800 naira on one trade. Now let me now say that let's say that you now do it 20 times in a day, because you can do it as much as possible without any delaying. So times 1,800 naira times let me show you 1,800 naira times um times 20 times in a day. See guys, you are going to make 36,000 naira. Okay, so that's what I will show you for now. So we'll continue next week. So kindly subscribe and like and comment. If in case you are not clear, I will do a video on I will I will I will do a video on how you will understand. Okay, so see you by next week. Stay tuned for another video. Bye. Have a nice day.